All right. Poem number, I believe, 29. Welcome to the life of a wretch stressed miserably in a rotted apple where death is the ministry and I'm vexed visibly, but I still celebrate 420 fresh veggie festivities. Bless this digitally recorded mess and mystery. The hex, mortician, morticia, metaphysics and metamorphosis, mortuary, pockets full of gravel, the vassals and castles, bones snap, pop, and crackle in order to establish the papal bull. Pass the burnt offerings in the chapel, put down the scalpel and take a pull. Do you know the meaning behind the symbol on the satchel? Lion try to cover their face with wool to keep their belly full while I stay never seen like a living pterodactyl. The offerings and goslings hate the cackle. 210 Cook Street, apartment 406, raffles, waffles, art on walls, I trip and fall like scaffolds or the walls of the Tower of Babel that toppled. My heart has flaws, my mind I brawl and grapple. Raised flames of the fire on the roof, stained glass images like the halls of the tabernacle. Projections and windows, the pain is forgotten. Woke up from a disco nap, my day started night like Bruce Wayne and Gotham. I shoot straight when talking. Once I rise, get right to working, twisting. Even with my blurred vision, writing J's sparking thoughts that develop into words of wisdom. I write and type every day and arrange superb intuition. My delegation deserves dominant displays that prominently portray the damage that monsters will make. Burning embers and blessings, the raps are right or wrong only on opposite day. So the topics display vary and sway from prophets and caves to narcotics and raves to money in the pockets for slaves. Court dockets and a case to electricity in your sockets and a minotaur locked in a maze. My brain pattern and pottery is glazed. The prophecy's vague, but the philosophy's praise is obviously crazed. It's a symbol of inner feelings and I'm a tattered soul. Speaking truth while only knowing half the whole. Here's a hint. We all started from the energy created out of the blackest hole, so at some point that's the home to which you have to go. Thanks, Maya. Pastor Dro. You want to get real? Real is being so broke. Your homies give you their change jar and it's only enough to pay for food, fuck clothing, or shelter, but you're still thankful, you're still grateful somebody loves you. Real is no money for rent. Real is the gas cut off for 8 months. Real is the same woman I love does not love me. Real is a woman loving me when I have no time to open my heart. Real is no savings. Real is no siblings. Real is 20 years of dedication, desperation, perspiration. You put your heart and soul into a creative work with no vindication, no vacation, a true vocation. Dicks and Birkenstocks, purgatory Jews, and confusing conversations with a woman who's either entertaining herself with this surrealistic comedy or she's trying to bone or time wasting. I can't tell which. So I'll go home and write a relic on my smartphone. I do use a pen, but I don't need a studio or a $2,000 microphone to get my light shown. I write tomes. But here's a tidbit. It's just another poem from a man that grew up in a so-called broken home. I know some animals are better left to roam, but I'm a man of companionship, and I should never be left alone. All right.